Welcome, welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Now that we're into 2022, a very common question I've been getting from those that are just brand new to selling on Amazon, thinking about selling on Amazon, maybe you already started a little bit, but you're not having success. The question I've been getting is, Tim, what is the fastest way to get started selling on Amazon? And perhaps the way that has the least amount of risk as well. So I want to answer that question. Now, if you've seen any of my videos here with ALGO Online Retail on YouTube, you know my background. 21 years ago, my wife and I got started with our first website. We've been selling on the internet for a long time. We're exclusive to Amazon now. And so let me answer that question. What's the fastest way to get started? How fast can that happen? And again, maybe can you tell me the way that has the least amount of risk? So let me dive into this. There's a couple keys to this. First of all, one key is you want to buy from suppliers that are in country, domestic suppliers. If you live in the US, find suppliers in the US. If you live in Canada, you get the idea, right? So domestic in-country suppliers, that can make things fast and you can avoid all of the supply chain issues that we're having right now on the planet. The second key is what you're selling. You want to sell popular name brand products. So popular name brand products, we know these brands, right? They already exist. They're already on Amazon, meaning there's a listing. There's pictures, descriptions, there's sales volume. That's the most important piece. So these products are already on Amazon. Again, a listing is there. You just have to plug yourself into that listing by buying inventory and doing FBA. And then, of course, you got to win the buy box. Now, how fast can this happen? I've seen it happen as quickly as 5 days. Generally speaking, you want to count on maybe 5 to 15 days for your supplier in country to ship your products, your inventory that you've purchased from that supplier to Amazon, give Amazon some time to process that and make it available to purchase. And then you got to win the buy box, maybe 5 to 15 days. Now, the next key, the third key I want to point out, you got to do it right the first time. You definitely want to do it right the first time. So you're partnering with Amazon. We know Amazon knows what they're doing, right? They're huge, right? Amazon, fantastic to do business with, but Amazon's wondering if you know what you're doing. They're checking you out, if you want to call it that, right? So it's definitely helps to do it right the first time, as Amazon is keeping their eye on you and making sure that you're a good seller. Again, Amazon's fantastic. Are you a good seller? So I would love to teach you how to do this. At ALGO, we have a group, a team that would love to help you. We have support, we have courses, we have training, we have thousands of students we have helped how to do this. We have a step-by-step process that I love to teach you out. So here's what I have. I have a 90-minute webinar coming up. It is free. If you want to get registered, there's a link right down here for the webinar. Click on that link, get registered, save your virtual seat, and I would love to see you there. Again, I'm going to cover step-by-step exactly the right way to sell on Amazon, what I've been talking about in this video, how to find those domestic suppliers in country, how to sell popular name brand products, how to get your products to FBA, how to win the buy box. If you've never heard of some of these phrases, join the webinar and I'll go through it step-by-step. Again, it's 90 minutes long. The first 60 minutes about I'll go through the training, then I'll do a question and answer period. I promise I'll answer every single one of your questions. All right, click on that link. Get registered, and I will see you soon.